Today, so I'm showing you guys the top best Jailbreak tweets for the XinaA jailbreak, guys. This does support iOS 15. Most of these tweets, guys, should support the iOS 15 to 15.1.1 jailbreak. So first we have is called Apple Pay iOS 14. Features the software update era. Toggle from preferences. No screenshots for this item. Next tweet is called Big Sur Center, and what this tweet does is replaces the default iOS control center. So you can see this list right here are screenshots. So yeah, looks pretty cool. So it's a fresh new lightweight control center developed by Unc0ver as dev and designed by Future Snow. So it replaces the default iOS control center with a new lightweight and elegant one inspired by the new default new control center in the macOS Big Sur powered with iOS 13 and 14, works on iPhones and iPads. This feature is called Spoof and allows us to change caller ID spoof and voice pitch in real time while on the phone. Supports more than 50 countries. This hasn't been updated since 2018, so keep that in mind. It is a little outdated and probably won't work on the newest iOS jailbreak. Alright, next we have is called Woozit Pro, and no clue is calling you, don't know whom you miss. So this pretty much is a caller identification solution for your iDevice. It helps you identify over 2 billion phone numbers, integrate with phone, messages, call bar, lock screen, notification center, and recents. So you pretty much see who is calling you and identify the caller. She's called Libya Raise, should be only used by iRaise products. It's a closed library, enough support, and provided full store helper. It's a helper utility to install and manage Control Store. Supports iOS 14 to 14.8.1. Just got updated today as making this video, which is 12.14. So it's a permanent line app installer for your jailbroken device. It can also be used to refresh app registrations from Control Store when they are no longer valid because iOS has rebuilt the icon cache. So yeah, pretty cool. Next we call What's the Date? Supports iOS 13 to 15. Automatically dismiss the timer status on the lock screen after a few seconds. So stock iOS annoyingly does not let you see the date if you have an active timer. This tweak changes that. So, newest update fits bug with preferences, not saving on rootless jailbreaks such as the XinaA15 smart battery 2, but we're actually going to do the updated one as well, which is smart battery iOS 15. So this works as 12 or 14.8, and this pretty much gives you a bunch of cool features to save your battery, like low power mode, notifies you when your battery reaches a certain level, alert on full, speak on full, so gives you all kind of cool stuff you can customize according to your batteries. 15, obviously for iOS 15, got updated 2 days ago as the biggest video. So same thing, gives you notifies you when your iPhone meets a certain percentage. You get alert when your iPhone's battery is full. You can speak when it's full. You have no auto lock. Force low power mode charging, show batteries. You'll tap low power mode, a custom interval, enable low power mode interval. You have an adjuster for that. You got battery health, disconnect health, which shows the current status and health of your battery when you disconnect the charger. Charge estimation, temperature monitoring, monitors the temperature of the battery, and obviously tells you when your battery's gonna be done charging fully, which is pretty cool. You have different threshold for airplane mode, for low power mode threshold, Wi-Fi data threshold, which you can customize. You have the sound you can do for low power mode, and yeah, smart Wi-Fi. So you have a bunch of cool stuff. Disable Wi-Fi, disable brightness, lower brightness, disable select data, disable Bluetooth, disable location services, enable airplane mode. So it helps you extend your battery's life, but also saves you for long-term tune it, modify, extend your life if used correctly. So it's supposed to help you extend your battery's life and pretty much save battery. So yeah, pretty cool. We also have a refund policy within 7 days, which you can read for yourself. Below, and this supports iOS 12 to 15.8. It's got updated from Elias Limnios, pretty popular developer. So you guys can read all this for yourself, but pretty much just makes your phone glow and add some customization to it. This tweak is $2.79. As you see from the screenshots, this is what the tweak looks like. So it's pretty dope. We call it Shadow. It's a modern jailbreak detection bypass for jailbroken iOS devices. So hopefully those apps and games that don't let you use a certain app or game because of your jailbreak, hopefully this allows you to bypass it and still use those apps or games. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch you guys in the next one. There are a bunch of new tweets that got updated for the new iOS jailbreak, so I will be covering hopefully all these tweets, and between this channel, Central Tweets, and also my Apple Tech Stop channel. So check them both out, and yeah, catch you guys in the next one.